Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with your smart TV apps not functioning correctly, you're not alone. Many users face this frustrating situation. In this video, we will walk you through a universal method to fix smart TV apps that aren't working. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get your apps back up and running smoothly. Step 1. Restart your smart TV. Begin by turning off your smart TV. Unplug it from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. This allows the TV's internal components to reset. After the waiting period, plug it back in and turn it on. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your smart TV is connected to the internet. Go to the Settings menu and navigate to Network Settings. Check if you are connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If the connection is unstable or weak, try restarting your router or moving closer to your Wi-Fi source. Step 3. Update your smart TV. Outdated software can cause apps to malfunction. To check for updates, go to the Settings menu, select About or System, and look for Software Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data for individual apps can resolve issues. Go to the Settings menu, select Apps, find the app that's not working, and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Be aware that this may remove your login information, so be prepared to log in again. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If clearing the cache and data didn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Go to the Settings menu, select Apps, find the problematic app, and choose Uninstall. After that, head to the App Store and reinstall it. This can often resolve deeper issues that clearing cache cannot. Step 6. Reset Smart TV to factory settings. If all else fails, consider resetting your smart TV to factory settings. Remember, this will erase all settings and installed apps, so use this option as a last resort. To reset, go to the Settings menu, select System or General, and choose Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. Step 7. Contact customer support. If you're still having issues after trying all the steps mentioned, it may be best to contact customer support for your smart TV brand. They can provide specialized guidance and help troubleshoot any persistent problems. We hope this universal method has helped you fix your smart TV apps. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.